Welcome to the Steriflow maintenance videos. This video will detail the steps required to disassemble and rebuild a JSR valve for non-oil free or oxygen service. For JSR valves that need to be cleaned for oil-free or oxygen service, please consult the factory. These are the tools you will need. 7/8 socket and wrench, 10-inch adjustable wrench, large screwdriver flathead, and 6-inch adjustable wrench. Some other items you will need include Loctite 2046 and FDA food compliant thread sealant, food grade anti-seize, and a cleaning agent. It is also helpful to have the J-Pure series installation and maintenance manual nearby during repair. You can obtain the I&M on the Steriflow valve website. The soft good kit may include a Jorlon diaphragm, a soft seat, and the bottom cap gasket. Now to begin the trim replacement. Start by removing the adjustable knob from the spring housing. Then, after securing the valve upside down in a vise, remove the bottom cap by turning counterclockwise. Remove the return spring, cap gasket, and plug subassembly. Place your seat assembly in the vise and remove seat tip. Replace old soft seat with the new. Apply Loctite 2046 to threaded ends, then place seat tip with new seat back into the seat holder and turn until tight. Be sure to properly clean all parts before putting them back into the valve. Now, place plug assembly back into body cavity. Place new cap gasket into bottom of threaded body chamber. Place return spring into body against plug assembly bottom. Apply food grade anti-seize to the bottom cap and push cap to compress spring as you thread clockwise into body. Use the 7/8 socket and wrench to tighten bottom cap. Now that you have finished the trim replacement, it is time for the diaphragm replacement. Flip your valve over to the upright position in the vise. Remove spring housing by grasping the flats with a wrench and turning counterclockwise. Remove the spring seat, range spring, and diaphragm assembly. Then, placing the diaphragm assembly in the vise, remove the upper diaphragm plate with the screwdriver. Take your old diaphragm and replace it with the new. After cleaning the threads of any old thread sealant or particulate, apply Loctite 2046 before screwing the upper diaphragm plate back into the lower. Be sure to clean all parts before placing them back into the valve. Place new diaphragm assembly and range spring back into the body. Apply food-grade anti-seize to the spring and the spring housing. Screw spring housing back into the body. Finally, return adjusting knob back into the spring housing. Now your JSR repair is complete.